Good morning, class. Our lesson for today we are going to talk about environmental influence on agricultural practices. Whereby we're going to talk about factors that influence the agricultural practices. Number one, we're going to talk about temperature. Number two, humidity, and number three, rainfall, and number four, wind. So let us go in detail like how these factors influences now the agricultural practices. Okay, we are going to start with temperature. Temperature influences the rate of photosynthesis, respiration, and transpiration. Okay, we are going to start with the optimum temperature. This is the temperature of the as we say the optimum level. That's the maximum of the temperature we have, and the effect of it on of that temperature on crop or on species is that's a well temperature whereby plants grow well, and also we have the high temperature. The effect of high temperature can cause water loss, and it can also lead to wilting. While low temperature, we all know like low temperature can also affect the crops as it slows down the growth of or causes fungal frost. And again, like on high temperature, it can also affect on the enzyme and the enzyme activity. Whereby temperature affect enzyme activity in plants, which control metabolic process like photosynthesis and respiration. Extreme temperature can denature enzyme disruption this process, and also to add on the frost and heat stress. Low temperature can cause frost damage, killing sensitive plants, while high temperature can cause heat stress, wilting, and increased water demand. Okay, to move on humidity. Humidity can affect on transpiration, whereby high humidity reduces transpiration, like water loss through leaves, which can help conserve water, but also slow nutrients uptake in transpiration is too low. Okay, move on again. Whereby humidity can also influence the opening and closing of stomata, spores or maybe spores on leaves, affecting gas exchange and also water regulation. And also we are moving on the factor that's rainfall. Adequately rainfall provide the water necessary for photosynthesis, nutrition transport, and the cell take up all vital for plant growth. And also like high rainfall also affected by the soil moisture, whereby consistent rainfall helps maintain soil moisture leaves. However, too much rainfall can lead to waterlogged soils that suffocates roots. Okay, this time we are saying when there's too much rainfall, it helps by moisturizing soil, whereby soils will not go dry that much. And also to move into high rainfall also help with the drought effects, whereby the influence insufficient rainfall can lead to drought condition, stating growth, causing leaves wilting, and eventually leading to plant death if the drought block. Or maybe in this other way we are saying high rainfall it also affects by reducing or minimizing the drought effects on the soil. Okay, then we are moving to the fourth one, that's wind. Whereby physical wind, that's a strong wind, can break stems, uproot plants, and damage flowers and leaves, which can reduce photosynthesis and overall plant health. Also it can also increase in water loss, whereby wind increases the rate of transpiration, which can lead to dehydration, especially in dry conditions. And also it can also pollination, which can assist the pollination of wind, whereby pollination plants like grasses and certain crops aid productions. And lastly, it can high wind or strong wind. It can also help in pest and disease control, whereby moderate wind they help reduce the moisture around leaves, which can decrease the risk of fungal disease and the pest infestation by disrupting their habits. Okay, for today that's the end of our lesson. See you tomorrow.